Hello guys, welcome to my channel once again. This is Tech PBA. Thanks for joining me. So in this video, I'll show you how to enable the feature called Assistive Touch on your iPhones. To use it to perform basic tasks like restarting your phone, taking screenshots, reducing the volume on your phone or increasing it without using the buttons on the sides of your phone. So the first thing we'll do is to open the settings app and then search for assistive touch, or you can also go to settings, accessibility, touch, and then touch on assistive touch. Once there, touch the radio button beside assistive touch to enable it, and then once you do that, you will see the assistive touch icon pop up on your screen. In other ways you can do this is through the control center. So flip down your screen to view the control center. Tap the plus sign at the top left, just as you would do to edit or customize your control center. Scroll down till you see more accessibility options, and then the assistive touch feature is right there. Tap on it to add it to the control center set of controls. Tap anywhere to save it, and then to enable it, just tap on the icon to enable the assistive touch for it to pop up on your screen, just as we are looking at right now. So tap on it to perform various tasks, but let's look at how you can customize it. So I'll reset it first and foremost, and then by default these are the 6 items you will find at the assistive touch area, or the top level menu for the assistive touch. So you can use it to restart your phone by tapping on it, and then once you tap on it, you have to tap on device. When you tap on device, you have to tap on more, and then once you are there, you can tap on the restart option, and then tap restart again to restart your phone without using the power button. Usually when you want to restart your phone, you have to power it down using the power button on the side, and then use the power button again to power it on. But using the assistive touch, you can restart your iPhone without going through that hassle. So touch on it again to perform other tasks on your iPhone, like rotating the screen or selecting a rotate screen option. So tap on the rotate screen option right there to view your options. So you can rotate the screen portraits to the left, to the right, and then upside down in those options. Tap the arrow in the middle to go back to the other options. You can mute and unmute your phone using that icon right there in the assistive touch options. You can also do a lot of things. So you just saw that I just muted and unmuted the phone right here. You can also take screenshots with the assistive touch set of options. So touch on the screenshots to take a screenshot of your screen, just as we just look at right now, and you can save the screenshot to your gallery. You can save it to your file system. You can also go to your home screen using the assistive touch options by tapping on the home option right there, and then you can see that we are looking at the home screen. You can view your control center also using the assistive touch. There's a lot of things you can do with the assistive touch. So let's look at how to customize it. Tap on the plus sign icon again, and then you will see all the other app items you can add to your assistive touch set of top level menus. So you can see the restart there, rotate screen. All those options are there. You can add to the assistive touch top level menu, and then you can use them as and when you need them. In my case, I want to enable the camera, so tap on it, tap on done, then you will see the camera icon or the camera option added to the top level menu. So To use it, just tap on the assistive touch and then tap on camera, and then you'll be using your camera through the assistive touch, just as we looked at right now. So yes guys, kindly click on the subscribe button down this video to subscribe to my channel, to support us, to bring you more of such videos, and to help us to grow this community together. Click on the like button if this was helpful. Share the video, turn on notifications for all, and then I will see you in another video. Thank you. Bye.